Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the BlueWillow AI application on your PC. So let's get started right away. Now, since there is no official application for the BlueWillow AI that you can download, you will need to install from the web browser version. So open up your web browser first, and then in the address bar type in bluewillow.ai and press enter. You will then be taken into the official BlueWillow AI website. Now click on Try Now for free at the top right corner, and then you will be asked to log into your account if you haven't done so already. Go ahead and log into your account using your email address and your password, and after you have logged in, you will gain access to the BlueWillow LimeWire application interface. Now from this page, you can click on the three dots at the top right corner of your web browser and then hover over to save and share. Now from this page, click on Create Shortcut, and now you can rename the page. Go ahead and name the shortcut BlueWillow and make sure Open as Window is selected. Then click on the Create button, and now this will open up the BlueWillow website within its own page as a separate application. And you can also find this shortcut within your desktop. You can double click on this at any time to directly launch your BlueWillow webpage. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to install the BlueWillow AI application on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.